latching hurts, something is wrong. Breastfeeding isn't meant to feel like punishment. I'm Dr. Neka. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a deep, pain-free latch so you and your baby can thrive and not just survive during feeding. Let's be honest, most of us aren't taught how to latch a baby until we are exhausted, hormonal, and already in pain. But latch is everything. A poor latch can lead to cracked nipples, low milk transfer, mastitis, and early weaning. A deep latch, oh, that's comfort, milk flow, bonding on a whole new level. So let's get down to this, mama, and get you down on a whole new level. But latch is everything. So I'll be introducing Tilly. Hi, Tilly. And I'll be using Tilly to show you, to demonstrate what a deep pain-free latch should look like, okay? So this is Tilly's mouth. And as you can see, Tilly already has her mouth wide open, okay? I'll start by putting Tilly belly to belly with me, and Tilly's nose will be facing my nipple. So this Tilly's nose will be facing my nipple. And Tilly's nose will be facing my nipple. Then Tilly's head should be able to tilt back. So because this is a doll, the head can't tilt back, but if it's your baby's head should be able to tilt back slightly. Okay? Gently tickle your baby's upper lip with your nipple and wait. We want a big, wide, yawn-like mouth. A big, wide, yawn-like mouth.